Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey there, Tony Polecastro here with the Acoustic Letter brought to you by Music Villa. Today we're going to look at a Martin 0015M, but before we do so, I want you to stick around to the end of the video and sign up for the Acoustic Lighter. But before we do so, I want to remind you to stick around to the end of the video and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. As an added bonus for signing up today, I'm going to send you my personal gear list, which I get a lot of questions because I review guitars for a living. Tony, what do you play? Well, signing up for the Acoustic Letter will let you know what I play. The Martin 0015M is just a sweet little comfortable guitar to play. This particular guitar is just full of warmth and fuzzy goodness. It's all mahogany. We have a solid mahogany top, solid mahogany back and sides, and it just accentuates the mid-range. It's very warm. It's just a great guitar for vocal accompaniment and for finger picking as well. Underneath the solid mahogany top, we have A-frame X bracing. We have a solid rosewood bridge with a bone saddle. On the back, as I mentioned before, solid mahogany. The neck is also solid mahogany with a lower profile. We have a rosewood fingerboard with split diamond inlay, an 1 11/16 bone nut, classic vintage style Martin headstock with open gear Grover tuners, and again, just a sweet little guitar. So we're going to give the Martin 0015M a play so you can hear what it sounds like. forget to sign up for the Acoustic Letter today. It's the easiest way to get pricing and photos, and it will ensure you will never, ever miss a review. And as an added bonus, I'm going to send you my personal gear list. People always ask me what I play because I review a ton of guitars. Well, I'm going to send you my gear list so you can find out. And I was looking at my gear list and I thought to myself, wow, a lot of the stuff I purchased at Music Villa. And I'm a little biased. Actually, I'm a lot biased because they're my local store. But really, truly, the guys are great. They're musicians. Their inventory is exquisite. You'll always run into custom and one-of-a-kind guitars. And I think next time you're in the acoustic guitar market, you should definitely check them out. Go to acousticletter.com to check out the full inventory or give them a call at 406-587-4761. Thanks for checking them out.